welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're sharing with you a very simple but very tasty chocolate chip cookie recipe. We hope you enjoy this as much as we did. So the first step is you're going to get 300 grams of all-purpose flour, which you're going to put into a sieve, to which you add a 3/4 teaspoon of salt and a 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and you're just going to sieve this together. Once that is done, you're going to get a whisk and you're just going to go in there and mix everything uniformly. So setting this aside, we're going to get another big bowl in which we're going to put our 226 grams of unsalted butter, 165 grams of brown sugar, and 100 grams of white sugar. And then we're just going to mix this using either a hand mix or a standing mix. Be careful when you use a hand mix, there's always that splatter at the beginning. But as you go on, you'll notice that it becomes better. But you have to keep scraping down your bowl as much as needed. Once your butter goes up the bowl, you bring it back down and continue mixing. So we are going to mix until we have a nice fluffy texture. So at this point, we're going to add in 1 large egg at room temperature, and we're just going to continue mixing until the egg is just combined into the mix. So once the egg is incorporated, we're then going to add in our flour that we had mixed earlier with our baking soda and salt. And we're just going to mix it up with a spatula for beginning the process, because we do not want our flour to splash everywhere. And then we're going to go in with our mixer again, which makes it better than when we just began. So mix this until everything is nice and well combined. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can still have some streaks of flour. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to divide this into two because I don't want to bake all of them at once. So I'll put the rest into the fridge. It can stay for about 3 days, and then the other half I put in 100 grams of chocolate chips, and I'm just going to incorporate them into the dough like so. So this is what you're looking for. This is ready. So I discovered I didn't have passion paper, so I'm going with the grandma method of just using plain papers to avoid the chocolate chip cookies from sticking to my pan when they bake. So at this point, you're going to switch on your oven and you're going to put it at 180 degrees Celsius, for which you're going to bake the chocolate chip cookies for about 16 minutes if you want them nice and crunchy on the outside. So after 16 minutes, this is what they should look like. Like, they look really good, they smell amazing, and they taste really good. So you can either eat them like so, that will be perfect, or you can glaze them with some chocolate and they'll taste even better. So bon appetit à tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.